this assessment asks us to describe the relationship between three compounds where a different hydrogen was replaced with a deuterium atom. I've gone ahead and shown those on the screen. Here we replaced HA with D, HB with D, and HC with D. Now remember, these labels of A, B, and C are our labels. The individual molecule doesn't know which one is A, B, or C. Well, what we notice by doing this replacement is this carbon has a deuterium, a benzene ring, and two hydrogens. This carbon has a deuterium, a benzene ring, and two hydrogens. This one has a deuterium, two hydrogens, and a benzene ring. And there's free rotation around each of these bonds. And so the relationship between these three new compounds is that they're all just one compound. They're all identical. These three compounds are all identical. Regardless of which hydrogen we replace with deuterium, we get the same compound. What does that mean? The methyl group will only give one signal in the NMR spectrum because all three hydrogens are chemically equivalent.